Here I am. Don't mind my mirror here. I got it with one of the things for my car. God wants me to do this live. I think better live. I try to put in my own words. It comes out worse than what it does live. Go figure. It's tough to do. Why is it raining? Well, I didn't want snow, but I wanted it to be miserable. What do you got today? Misery. I'm happy. This is me happy. I'd love to shove a foot right up each and every American's ass who voted for Biden. And then I'd love to shove a foot up every Republican's ass who believes this election was on the limit. Then I'd like to shove a foot up the ass of everybody who still thinks this pandemic wasn't a scam to control the world. That's what I like to say. I want to say it my way. God's like, don't, let it go, let it go. Jesus is like, you know what, I kind of like it because I'm ready to go gangster. Hey, Dad, maybe this guy's on to something. Or I'm still talking to you. You ain't supposed to be talking like that to all man friends. I'm kind of a bad influence on you. Anyway, yeah, I was a little pissed too because, well, I told the story, but the kid's like, hey, Dad, see where they're at. You do the rapture and leave the other guy behind. Mom don't have to go through all this shit again. I can tell you, that's a long story. I can tell you anyway, God says, I know. But you want to give them a chance. Wasn't the deal 5 years? He says, I know. But what did they do? I said, hey kid, I know I made a sale 5 years and all. You bought that sale. Now it's in right. It's guaranteed. There ain't no coming back. So if what's going to happen happens, let it be the next 5 years. And then we'll have the rapture. If you so choose. If you want to go with your mom's plan for 126 years, yeah, I fucked that up too. I should have let her in that joke. You can do that too. You do whatever the hell you want, kid. You will be the boss at that time. Your dad's got to go with the other guy golfing. You know what I just figured out? You can move on, keep the world a beautiful place. Take that other prick, get rid of him in your realm, but your dad still has his soul. They've gotten along together lately. They can hang out. If they're all pissed off at the same time, maybe they'll get happy at the same time. Without all of us here. That's what I'm telling him. Kid said, you know what? I'm going to take that under advisement. The lad's learning from his old man. Smite and Smooth don't have to wait. We can get this shit out of the way early and then make a new run for it. Oh, I'm sorry, none of us will be here, but it'll be a much better place, and it'll be just what all of you progressive Democrats want, you Satanist motherfuckers. We will get the rapture, but just not anybody gonna be here to actually receive it. Ain't that a bitch? Oh, maybe that's why I shouldn't go live. God's just still freaking out. But I didn't put in the words I wanted. It's my grandmother's. Ain't that something? I can interpret it. That's funny as shit. Nobody believes me, so it's funny as fuck. In 5 years, when the sirens go off, and everybody's trying to get to escape routes, stop. Just stop. Find a pinball machine. Load it up with quarters or whatever the fuck it takes these days. And bang a few balls. You transition train, you know what I'm talking about. It's true. I love you too. You're all fucked up like that. Anyway, that being said, you're not a woman. You can believe you're a woman. I'm alright with that. Whatever the fuck you want. But you're infringing on real women. We're just infringing on married. You motherfuckers don't know what you're doing. Well, maybe you do. Nah, most of you don't. You're just fucking retarded. It's alright. You've been brainwashed. You got psychologists who are insane, tell you your insanity. is perfectly normal because they're fucking insane. Men can give birth at what fucking level? Oh, now I'm turning into me, motherfuckers. That's the me I don't want to be with God. I can't control not fucking swearing and talking about God to say fucking sensitive says that's okay. Wait for Sam Kennison, he got you to open the Bible, didn't he? I don't give a flying fuck, I'm not Sam Kennison. I'm me. You fucking assholes. Don't compare me to nobody else, I'm a fucking original. You understand? An original. And I originally want to blow all you motherfuckers up. That's original. You won't listen to God, you won't listen to the devil. Maybe you'll listen to fucking me, a messenger, a guardian angel. Not a fucking good one. But one who'll give you a kick in the ass and tell you to straighten your shit out. Keep going with full-term abortion. Keep following this administration. Keep following CRT black people. They want to wipe you the fuck off the earth except originally. You better go take another look at those fucking sci-fi movies. Especially the fucking Hunger Games. They're already doing it in the UK. They're doing it in Belgium. They're coordinating places. And you can't go into zones. Are you fucking kidding me? God's giving you warnings. And you cocksuckers won't listen. I want to nuke you all because you're so fucking stupid from the beginning of time I've seen it. He brought me all the way back, and you just won't fucking listen, and you never have. You don't deserve God, and you don't deserve the devil. He rewards the sinners. And you know what? When there's too many of you, he doesn't need to reward one. He's funny that way. God bless you all. You're gonna fucking need amazing grace. How sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I am found. Was blind, but now I see. This I threw in, it's an extra on the Brad Bell's in the country tune. He lets a lot of choreography go through. You gotta do some dance and shit. I go on this thing to my mind all the time. So I people wonder what I'm doing. I'm doing sketches, I'm doing stage, I don't do anything small. If I'm working with fucking God, it's gonna be on a big fucking level. I ain't doing no fucking stand-up. That cocksucker wanted me to do stand-up and get my name. Go in front of some fucking stupid America's Got Talent and then tell them I'm coming out of the closet. And then when I come out of the closet, there's some asshole who talks to God and the devil. And God's a conservative and wake the fuck up and find Thomas Sowell. You think I could have done that on stage, you cocksuckers? Anyway. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound. Let's see, the rest like me. Blah, 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 blah. You know the whole fucking rest. 10,000. Nah, fuck that up. Now I gotta go back. You get the fucking gist of it all. Now I gotta start at the beginning. Fuck you. You too, kid. Nah, I'm sorry. The old lady, go to your room. I don't talk to her like that, really. I just say I do. Yeah, I block her out when I yell at her. It's a gift God gave me. I can block everybody. Why you didn't give it to me? I developed it. And he didn't know how good I got at it. I could hear the devil and God couldn't. Ain't that some shit? I had to call him in. I thought he knew everything. Fucking guy. He doesn't talk to the devil as much as he should. Oh, now he does. And they're both pissed. Did I mention that? Anyway, how was it? Amazing. Lucky G. You ain't got me too lucky, motherfucker. Anyway, gee, I wonder why. Kabloom! Anyway, amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I am found. Was blind, but now taught my heart to fear and praise my fears relieved. How precious, deep, and grace of the hour I first believed. Now you pissed me off. I got the Holy Ghost. What can I tell you? Something pissed me off all the time. Makes me so fucking happy. I can't take it. I wish I could bring it all to you. I feel no pain. I want to go run a marathon. I get so much energy now, and I work fucking on. No, did I work last night? No, I slept 14 hours. I don't sleep anymore, but when I do, it's fucking amazing. I just go, wow! Anyway, where that was I? 10. No, that wasn't it. Where that was I? Help me out here, kid, will you? Since I first believed. There you go, thank you. 10 years. I skipped the whole other part. It's just a song all over here. 10 now when we've been here. 10,000 bright shining as the sun. We know. Oh, that was horrible. There's days. I can't do it unless I get it perfect. So I told him, he's like, oh, Louis Armstrong says powerful, but you know, Louis a professional, and he's got that big grin, and he looks good. I'm not Louis, he's got class. I'm just me, man. That's scary. Well, I lost my place again. I know that's not what I was eating for. I'm sorry. Forget about it. We'll work on it another day. Anyway, you get the gist of everything. I went and tried to sing in New York. They told me, tell God to go fuck himself. Ain't that nice? I told her, I'm ready to put it 10 years ago. 20 years ago. I can't gotta think about that. Fuck it. You want to see God? Please don't want to see him. Anyway, where was I going? Because I might have an English. Devil says, yeah. He's getting scared. Everyone else is doing 100 too. Fuck. Seriously, I just got the truck past me. I'm doing 100. The fucking guy passed me with a trailer. God love him. Anyway, what was I saying? Oh, yeah, I talked to God. Did I mention that? I talked to Jesus. I talked to Mary. Yeah, I might think so. Alright, maybe I am. Of course I am. But I never knew I was. I thought I was sane. Everyone said I was nuts. What are you talking about? Now if I'm God, I said, Lord, was I nuts? Now everybody's talking about it. Usually sane. I said, what are you talking about? Your Lord always told me I was nuts. So who's the fucking nut? Who's insane? It can't be both of us. Well, it could be, but I don't think so. God says it's you. Guess what? The apple says it's true too. So when it's two against one, throw me in and the other three guys in my head, well, it's an even. It's 4, it's 3-3. It's a 50-50. Maybe we're both nuts. I don't know. Anyway, that's all what I came here. And I came here focused. God knows I could have went on stage. Just done a quick show. It would have taken me about a week, 2 weeks to put it all together. Maybe a month. Probably a month. Maybe 2. I'll go with 2. I could have done a local show. Good enough to go on to a semi-national show. And then when I told them that, you know, I was a Marine and I have a family and all this, and I want to come out of the content, I'm so scared. They bumped me right up to opening the show because everyone loves gay guys these days, especially gays. Like, see, straight, white, American-loving, Constitution-loving, God-loving, amendment-loving, equality-loving American who's coming out of the closet. Oh, what put me front and center, CNN? Please, the ratings they need. Oh, by the way, I gave it my first autograph to somebody. I told them, wait, $7 million. I didn't know why. That was God's idea. I wrote on it somewhere, asked if they offered me a 2.5, fuck God, take the 2.5 and run. God says, that ain't right. I said, I know, but neither are you. Anyway, I didn't know until 3 months later when I find out how much they paid Cuomo when they fired him. It was $7 million, so it's a pretty funny joke. It's out there still. But the lady can't find the autograph, but I told her the interviews probably was funny. Because what the fuck? I gave her something that was much like the Constitution, written with the hand of God. She don't believe me, but she listens to all my jokes. And, well, she's my guardian angel. She wants to know. Name's Millie. Anybody want to do a fundraiser for Millie? She's put up with me for 14 years now. That's gotta be worth a buck. That poor woman. Oh my God, I love her. Anyway, I talked to God. I never asked him for shit. When he offered, I told him no. Never had to like that. He showed me heaven. I said, I like you people, but he offered me a gift that Jesus told him, don't give him that gift. He won't stay. Don't give him that gift. His old man says, I know. Pay attention, kid. The kid paid attention. His old man played me. It's all right, little white lies sometimes, but never good. Not for evil. You cheat on your wife and you're lying. That's what I did. Fucking broke her eye. She hates me. I don't blame her, but she loves me. Ain't that a bitch? If she let me dip the magic wick, I know she'll forgive me again, but she won't let me do that. The apple plays nice somewhere. Just saying. I had God to you when the fuck no. But I pay attention, I'm just saying. Anyway, there's things I'm not supposed to say out loud to my wife. I got laid anyway. We've attacked women. We put men in place of women. That's an attack on Mary. Don't believe me, I don't care. I'm telling you. This whole equality, diversity, fucking equity bullshit that we're in goes directly against God. Ivermectin Kendi is an evil demon of hell. His writings come from straight out of the Communist Manifesto, just reread. Communist Manifesto is just a piece of hell. And those forbidden books that the Catholics don't want you to read, oh, they were written with God. With Diablo can impersonate God and interpretation. It didn't come out quite right. You still find a lot in them, but be careful. That's all I'm telling you. Because, you do you, bro. I'm just crazy, man. He talks to the devil. He says, check them out very thoroughly. 3, 4, 5 times. And when everything starts working, you're fucking your friends over and you're listening to everybody with fucking pain. Yeah, keep at it. The dog was right. Yeah, you'll get rewarded too. It might take a few generations. Look at the Kennedys. Yeah. Look at the Rothschilds. Suicide. He's dead. Strain's dead. Look at all the rich. The ones who are evil. You'll find the devil. He takes these rewards. It might not be on you. Oh, even in death, you can go with the devil and you leave the wealthy behind. It's hilarious. Selfish cocksuckers. You do it here on earth and then you do it in death. Because you don't change even in death. And that's why the world is still repeating itself over and over. Because there is reincarnation. And you come out innocent again. The problem is the devil already has a taste of you. And knows where to find you all over again. And that's when God gets involved with guardian angel. He tries to change you back again to somebody who just evil goes true to you. Biden, Joe Biden, no one of them. No one wants to believe that. This is now God's country. It was since 1775. There's a reason God told Christians, Israel, they're trying to kill Jesus. 2 rabbis want to make it illegal to talk about Jesus. You killed the kid once, kill him again. See what the fuck happens to you. As I said to my best friend, my guardian angel, his father, I hear it gone in my head. Well, his father's sister. What is mom's Jewish? Should I put her as Mary in my head? Only makes sense, right? Mary was Jewish. Anyway, it all goes full tilt. It all goes full circle. The VA says I'm doing fine with my PTSD. You don't believe my stories. That's I softened them up. So go ahead and play that story about me and spying there, dog. I softened that motherfucker up. Nobody believed him otherwise. I have my guy tell me where to go.
In 10 miles, take exit 10 onto New Hampshire Route 382.
You don't need to know where I'm going, but I'm going to sing in a cemetery, a national cemetery, so I can bring back the walking dead. That's right, I feel so when I walk by. The way you know that movie, Santa Claus? Tim Allen walks by the people and he's like, oh, naughty, nice, oh, naughty, nice. I don't feel it with everybody. Then I turn. Sometimes naughty, real naughty. Sometimes they're going to make it through it. I try to talk and say, hey, how you doing? The spirits of maybe you'll get a little break into having a little soup with the devil, that's grass. Then you tell me to go fuck myself, and I say, yeah. Diablo says in love, ain't no secret words. I can get everything you get, and something I'm going to burn it for you. And not up there, motherfuckers. Go ahead, just respect anybody who says hello. Because they genuinely just want to bring these spirits up and say hello. See what the fuck evil I bring to you. Maybe they will, but I will. So I'm a prick. That's what God likes. I don't want nothing from him. And when he offered to give me shit approved from the devil, nothing, no bad shit would happen to me. Nothing. This life, past life, present life, Rwanda, and I saved the world. I said, nah, I'm good. This is why. I didn't tell you. I made a video. I stand by my thing, even if I know for sure it was God. You don't deserve his help in finding him. I can't tell you how to find him. I can tell you how I find him. I can tell you I truly believe in God, in Mary, in Jesus Christ. The whole fucking thing. Not all of it. I have there's a lot of shit that I have. I ain't gonna tell you which one. Anyway, I don't do shit live because I never know what the fuck I'm gonna say. I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna say now. My head blew up. I gotta go sing. I'm on the wrong fucking road. I know that. This cocksucker don't want to tell me where I'm going. Am I on the right road? I gotta make sure I'm taking a wrong turn so I know which way I'm taking the right turn. And I'm coming to the fork in the road. What the fuck? Oh, I'm going the right way. Thank you. Jesus Christ, I'm gonna hit the mountain. Right? Oh, don't talk to God like I know. Diablo's just going ahead. I'm a motherfucker too. I call him an MF, that means my favorite. I got it from a girl named Hope. A girl named Hope gives you something she went through. She makes a fun story. God's just going ahead and run with it. Don't you do it. Well, go ahead. Like I said, Diablo's not himself working out. Anyway, my name's Sean John. I hope you'll follow me someday. I'll get him monetized. I don't know how to do shit. Because you'll find me funny, humorous, entertaining. I talk about what's going on today and what pisses me off. Is it God's word? No. It's my fucking word. It's my psychosis and I talk to God, Jesus, Mary, Joseph. But I had to live for them. And if I hurt your feelings, I don't give a flying fuck. Neither does God, for the most part. Am I trying to? No. But if it does, maybe you need to look in the mirror, motherfucker. Or maybe you can at least explain your point to me so I will understand it better. Maybe I'm just not getting it, or you're not saying it right. I know how that works. I do it all the time. So cut each other some slack. And keep going after Christians. This does not work well. Because you go after the Christians, you're going after the Muslims. Well, the Muslims will be laughing. That's all right, because they start bullshit up. And then the Christians, we finally realized we shouldn't be standing right next to them. Because they left Jesus alone. They just thought he was a crazy kid. But hey, he's done some cool shit, so we'll let him play over there. Hey, Mohammed, come in. Anyway, I'm just joking. Don't take it personally. You'll find out what's what. So will I, when the time comes. The winners know for sure. Fuck no, we don't. So stop saying that you don't. Do I know for sure? No! I argue with the prick every day. Why don't you leave me the fuck alone? I don't like your Holy Ghost. Don't bother someone else. And then I try to give it to somebody else. And the fucking homeless lady said no. She wouldn't take it because she had her own Holy Ghost. She didn't need my fucking Holy Ghost. Why, I said if you had my Holy Ghost, you'd be out of that fucking shelter you're living in, you cunt. Oh, that's why she got mad at me. Oh, that explains so much. Oh, I did apologize, but I didn't remember I called her. Oh, that's not nice. And he was so helpful and everyone, a lot of the money I raised, some people didn't need the money. So I guess you all believe God. She was appreciated.
In 1.2 miles, take exit 1 onto New Hampshire Route 28 bypass toward Brookside.
Thank you. I just hate north and we travel like this. I find that funny, so then we run into people bring this here. I call myself a guy. Just fucking showing something. Sure as hell ain't always pretty. But I always think it's worth a buck. I know I'm always worth it, but I tell you.
Use the right lane to take exit 1 onto New Hampshire Route 28
I
bypass
talk to
toward
God.
Brookside.
I talk to them. I always will. I'm going to tell you when they say no. You will sometimes think God's the devil. Maybe you'll think the devil, maybe he is God. And ain't for me to tell you.
Take the exit, then turn left onto Londonderry Turnpike.
I'm just telling you. Worship anything that's down?
At the light, use the left lane to turn onto Londonderry Turnpike toward Brookside.
Well, let me put it this way. You worship shit more than 6 feet down? Be careful. Turn left. I'm on a fucking highway with a barrier. You stupid cunt. How am I going to turn left? The fucking Jersey barrier. Holy fuck, I'm a Geico commercial. Turn left. There's a Jersey barrier for a fucking mile, you crazy bitch. Oh, now you're gonna take me. Chester, yeah, just like Joe Biden. Chester the molester. I'm not going through the fucking Chester. This bitch is out of her mind. I'm going back to the one that sounds like my wife. She might tell me where I'm going a mile early. But at least the bitch makes sense. Holy fuck, this one sounds like Woody. Holy, although he got a much deeper voice, and he don't smoke weed anymore. I think, you know, weed didn't touch him. He was just always touched. And not like a priest does. That's why the Jewish man. Oh, I just insulted everybody with that. Anyway, yeah, that's gonna happen. Sorry. Anyway, God bless you, America.
Use the right lane to take exit 2 toward Auburn and Chester.
All right. Anyway, I gotta go bring up the souls of the Walking Dead. We may need them in less than 5 years. You know what I'm talking about, America?
Take the exit, then turn left onto Hooksett Road.
Look up The Walking Dead. Ending great. Working with C.
At the stop sign, turn left onto Hooksett Road.
Ain't that a bitch? Reality sucks, doesn't it? There's only a man. There's only a woman. There's only one God. You choose whatever the fuck you want to believe. I personally believe in Jesus, Mary, and the Bible. God's shown himself in so many fucking ways that we don't listen. And so is the devil. And you always listen to that son of a bitch. Look at this administration. Yeah. Am I crazy? You decide. You think we're living hell on earth? It's only we've only just begun. Yeah. I was gonna to dream the impossible dream. That'll cost you 2 drink minimum, even if I'm off key. That last note's worth 2 drinks right there alone. I don't care what you say. If I can get a whole room together, all trying to hit that note at the very same time,
in 3.2 miles, turn right onto Londonderry Turnpike.
That shit's hilarious. Imagine the whole world singing the impossible dream at the same time. Jim Nabors' version when he's wearing his dress blues, and the whole world at the same time, all coordinated, tries to hit that very last note the whole way through. Hardly anyone will get it. Imagine the joy it will bring to all of us. I don't know, to me, I think it's a good bad. Kim thinks it's pretty good. I don't think anybody listens. I don't think anybody will listen. God says go ahead, but I know I swore a lot. I don't think God, I swore. I kind of odd. As soon as I heard swearing, well, somebody listened all the way through, and I probably could have stood down and go home and say, yeah, that would have been hilarious. I should have done that. I left it up to me. God says no way to listen. The devil says listen to it. Let's see. Oh, I'm so close. So close. I asked the kid, what do you think? He says, that's not free will and all that. Because that's what his dad says. He listens to his dad. He's a smart kid. His dad said, it's up to you. I looked at the devil again. I said, what do you think? He says, man, that's good shit. That's funny. I've done it before. Maybe they won't listen, but somebody's gonna laugh. We're gonna get paid. We're gonna make some dough. He did his laugh. I can't copy it. It hurts. That would be what I tried. It's a long story. I drag it up. Cross a couple of muscles, strength rails. Card go on the floor. It's not a good idea. Don't do it. It hurts on something. But anyway, what was I saying? Oh, your bodybuilders might. You learn how to flex all your muscles and stuff. Oh, look at all these little geese. Oh, no, there's the turkeys. I get them confused. Look at them. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Gobble, 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 gobble. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Anyone behind me? 3 little birds perched on my doorstep, singing sweet songs, a melody pure and true. This is my message for you. Ooh, ooh. Oh, someone behind me. Gotta go. Later, turkeys. They're like, gobble, 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 gobble. They all came to the front. They like my seat. Anyway, it's like I'm like a boy. Fucking Disney animals. They're pretty shit. The seagulls like fucking triangles. The triangle. Kind of like people that train like or the devil. Sure, it's all funny. We use the word all the time. What's the word? You ought to know what I'm talking about, don't you? The word, when you drive shit into people's brains over and over and over and over. What they do in the public schools now to tell you transgenderism is normal, and that a man can't be a woman and a woman can't be a man, and that, just because you see reality, don't you believe your lying eyes? You know what I'm talking about. Let's go, Brandon. I'm in the right neighborhood. What's the word I'm looking for? You know when they batter it into your brain over and over and over what the mainstream media is doing to everybody about Trump supporters and people who love America and the Constitution and the Bible. You know the word I'm looking for? What's that? Of course you know what it is. What is it? Oh, God, man, please help me. It's going to hit me as soon as I hang this up. The words are on the tip of my tongue. And you're all saying it right now. Because we hear it every day. Day in and day out. Wait. Yeah, those right-wingers, they're telling me this. They want to kill all the trans. No, we want to give the trans mental health to let you know you're never going to be happy with your type of dick off. If you clog up your pussy and try to shove something up there that comes from your arm or your leg, it's pretty much going to fall off. It happens almost every time. I think one of them, they did a study, 9 out of 10 fell off, literally rotted away and fell off. And the last one took, but then it fell off itself too, so they didn't fall off in that story. Or it rotted and the person had paid.
On the next stop sign, turn right.
Anyway, this is what the world's come to. And we're supposed to believe it. Tell God to go fuck himself. You go ahead. You've already done it. You're welcome to the devil. Right? I don't give a fuck no more. Like I said, I tell God to fucking you know what? The Bible's a great thing. Yeah, you fucking indoctrinate people. I think that's the word I'm looking for. Just like school. Our founding fathers weren't perfect. We can tell the whole story about them. We can tell that using Dr. Thomas Sowell. 2 men can save the world. One asshole like me who's a fucking messenger, and I fucking decided I hate every one of you motherfuckers and my wife, because she ain't give me no pussy. I love her otherwise, but I ain't got that. How about a hand job once in a while? I'm just saying. Tired of playing with myself. And all you other bitches out there, stay the fuck away from me. Stop offering me shit, because you'd be amazed how many people offer you shit when you say you're talking to the devil. It's fucking insanity. I don't get it. I did shit in front of this whore and she still says, that's amazing. Would you like a blowjob? Fuck yeah, I would. You crazy bitch, I want to blow all over your tits. But I'm not going to do it, that's what I told her. You fucking whore. I tried to insult her so fucking bad. She goes, you know that's just turning me on. The fuck is wrong with you? I don't get it. When I try to be insulting, I can't, but when I'm trying to be at my best, I insult everybody. I don't know what the fuck's going on. I don't even know what the fuck I'm at Home Central. Why the fuck that's not the right place. I put it I'm in the wrong state. What the fuck am I supposed to go talk to? I don't like none of it. That's what happens. You gotta put in Vermont. I mean, fucking not even in Vermont. I'm going to bring up the fucking dead. America, you got a shot to save your asses. You better wake the fuck up. Thank God. Find out what a true conservative really the fuck is. And you better find Dr. Thomas Sowell. Put him in our schools, on our networks, on our thing, on every fucking thing. You compare his history of slavery against the 1619 Project. History of slavery is fact. That fucking 1619 Project that the New York Times gave a Pulitzer Prize to and said it. Put it in our fucking schools. And the cunt that wrote it admitted it's fact and not to be used as history. And all the black people say, no, we don't want that. The history to be told. Because it's a fucking lie, you stupid motherfuckers. What have Democrats done for you? LBJ said he'd have niggas vote for him for hundreds of years. And he did. I don't mean black people, I mean stupid people that happen to be black. And yeah, I said the word, you go fuck yourself, because that's what you are. And white trash, stupid motherfucking white niggas. You're wiggers. Because you know what? You're as dumb as them. You want everything handed to you. You want the world given to you. And you're not willing to fucking accept reality and work for it. Wiggers and niggas, you all deserve to die. Black and white, you deserve to live. But you know what? We're outnumbered. Maybe not. We got the Asians and everybody else who respects life. And whether it's my God or their God, they respect God. And they live what can only be described, and it's described by Dr. Thomas Sowell, as a Christian lifestyle. They live by principles. America has given up our fucking principles, our morals, our decencies, and our fucking history. And we deserve nothing more than nukes. That's my fucking opinion, and God agrees. But the fucking kid won't let it go. And neither will Diablo. Because the kid just figured out God didn't let him hear my plan before. They can move on without Diablo. It's a bitch when you bring family on board and they finally get the plan. Ha 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 ha. I talk to God. I'm not nice. I'm a realist. I warned you about all of this 3 years ago when I gave my life up for it. I tried to get killed more than a few times to get Thomas Sowell and to everyone in their fucking heart, minds, and souls before the election to save this fucking world. But I thought I could do it on my own. I told God to go fuck himself. I'll do this alone. Why? Because I didn't know the difference between God and a devil's laugh. I figured it out when they took me the first time. Oh, yeah. But then I also figured out the devil's real good at impersonations. God sucks. Scared the shit out of me, and even when I figured out which joke to tell the devil, you wouldn't like those jokes, because some of you already know. As I walk by you, I see what happens. He thinks it's fucking hilarious. So don't I. And then I say hello and try to bring his spirits up, and he gets mad at me, and I love when he gets mad at me because it makes him so happy. He says, what are you doing? I said, I'm going to keep them from getting to you too quick. You know what I'm saying? He says, fuck you. Give them to me. I said, no. God says, cut them a little slack. And then we fight. It's all in my head. Wouldn't you love to hear it? Nah. You don't need to. Why? If you know what's coming now, if you know what's coming your way, there's no way to avoid it, but you'd probably jump off a bridge. Or slice your wrists. some of you cops out there who abuse your power, you know who I am, who you are. Yeah, you'd put that gun in your mouth and pull the trigger twice. Yeah, you would. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you would. When I get angry, when I talk, you better just fucking go ahead and let me talk, because I'll tell you a lot about yourself. I know I won't. I'll give you a little warning. That's it. Thank God. Thank God. You know who you are. Look yourselves in the mirror. You know. You evil motherfuckers. All of you. Convinced a man could be a woman and a woman could be a man. Look yourselves in the mirror. And you ask yourself, is that reality? Is that true? Of course it's not. I watched my child be born. Beautiful, both young women. There was no stem. It tells me everything I need to know. Now you're telling me you know God? Nah. People are fucked up. We got chemicals, parents. No matter what you do, sometimes shit happens. We blame God. He gets over it. He understands. But the devil loves when you do that. Yeah, he loves it. That's why I love Glenn Beck. Man, he's had so much go on in his life. He talks about it openly. Why the fuck he believes in God, I got no clue. None whatsoever. Really? I told God to go fuck himself years ago. I only lost a few people. Well, my mother was nuts. That pissed me off. She wasn't as crazy as I thought she was, actually. It's a long story. I've hated God my whole life. Hated the devil, too, though, because it's a long story. Hated life. Always have. I like it, but I hate it, because I see it. I feel it. I always have. I feel the happy and I feel the low. I feel the highs. I feel the downs. Of the world, ain't that a bitch? God works in mysterious ways. Motherfucker don't know how mysterious I am, though. Sorry, that hurt like hell. Oh, shit. He usually lets me get away with those ones. I wasn't talking to him. Ooh, that hurt. Anyway, wow. Yeah, God's been trying to reach me for years. I just said, fuck you. And then even 3 years ago, I can do it on my own. I don't need you. Oops. That's not funny. Yeah. What's the difference? Nobody believes a person can change anything anyway. Even if it's Dr. Thomas Sowell. Even if it's Jesus. Nobody will listen. It's a fucking shame. It's a fucking shame. To fight. To bear with every sorrow. To right the unrightful wrong. To love your chase. To try worlds to weary, to reach the unreachable star. This is my quest to follow that star, no matter how hopeless, no matter how far. To fight for the right without question or pause. To be willing to march into hell for a heavenly cause. And I know if I only be true to this glorious quest, that my heart will lie peaceful and calm as I lay to my rest. And the world will be better for this. That one man, scorned and covered with scars, still strove with his last ounce of courage to dream the impossible dream. To dream the impossible dream. For you know it's... fuck that up again. I can't get it right. Fuck you all, I want you all nuked. It don't matter, impossible dreams don't come true. They don't come true. Because you fucking assholes never listen. And I'll never reach that star. I took a job in middle management because you just won't listen. So the next time around, somebody's got to be there to give Diablo a kick in the ass. I took the job. I didn't tell God why. He actually knows. The kid don't. The kid says, you can join me. I said, no, I'm good. You come visit. He still don't know because he don't hear all. Only the old man. The old man's in charge. He likes my 5-year plan. Wake the fuck up, world. I ain't what the fuck you wanted. I'm just what the fuck you want. Mean, nasty motherfucker who talks to God and the devil, and I'll be bringing the devil with me when you want to overtake this country. And so will every other patriot on this country. You get your flags, you get your Gadsden flags, you go out, you stop America. If this shit starts going, each day, you don't have to do it all at once. Truck drivers, American flags, Gadsden flag. Slow down 10 miles an hour on every highway, every day. And then do the speed limit. If there's emergency vehicles, pull the fuck out of the way. All right? Police? I'm trying to have you help us save the fucking world. If you want to get involved, go ahead. You want to destroy the world? Go ahead. I don't give a fuck anymore. I want nukes. Do you understand me? I want nukes, world. I don't like redundancy. I showed God throughout all the books. He let me see them and do it my way. You know what? Turns out, I way overestimate my numbers. Way overestimate. I made a video about that. I can sell anything, but I'm bad at the kill. I suck. I always send somebody else in because you gotta get people ruthless to really take people's money, and you know you can give it to them much cheaper than you're selling it to them for, but you gotta make a profit, right? Then I feel bad about it. I'm a lousy salesman when it comes to that. I could get it anyway, but that final kill, hey, go make this deal for me. I'll cut you in. Or the other way around, he cuts me in usually. So I don't give a fuck. My boss is high that way. Usually way overpaid me anyway. Bought me lunch every day. I make overpaid me. Anyway, what was I saying? That fucking Mitch was something else. Anyway, I'm talking about voice from God nobody ever gave a chance to. That motherfucker was awesome. Anyway, where the hell was I going with this? I talked to God and the devil. I'm a mean motherfucking prick. My numbers, I overestimate millions and millions and millions because I figure, fuck it. We'll make the world a peaceful place 2,000 years from now. What's the difference? Collateral damage, I don't know now, you motherfuckers. So what? That's how I see it. Then God let me see you all, and that wasn't a good idea because I got my empathy level up a couple $100 million. And I worked it out with Jesus, so does he. Ain't that a bitch? Yeah, you know, yeah. Oh, it's only gonna be 400 million if you start fighting, though. We worked that out. I wanted to only leave 400 million, but Jesus said that's pushing the boundaries. Yeah, but we're gonna go by those satanic tombstones that they made and that got blown up, right? Fuck it, they want to worship Satan. Let's go with what they put up. Why not? He says, yeah, that's a good point, but we'll take it easy at first. So 400 million's taking it easy when you're smiting and smooting. I just wanted to let you know. It's way lower than the numbers I wanted. I wanted to leave 400 million. So those are the numbers. If you can figure out how many people are on this earth and there's only leaving 400 million, those are my numbers, because that's how I do math. Yeah, it's not always nice, is it? Yeah. The Walking Dead. Right up my fucking alley. That's right. Gonna be right up yours. Keep it up. You want to bring this to the American streets? I don't think that's a good idea. I'm trying to use legislation and knowledge to stop what I see coming. You get on board, or you're going to get run the fuck over. All of you. Democrats, Republicans, Independents, gay, straight, trans, black, white, Asian, whatever the fuck you may be, purple polka dot, purple people eaters, purple people eater, don't matter, you're fucking dead. In my view, I'd kill y'all. 400 million of you lived. Once, twice, three up, the other one. Anyway, I don't give a fuck. I've seen it! I don't like it. How many times? Oh, look at all the fucking, you all want to concentrate on Hitler, you motherfuckers. It's because you're copying him. Democrats. You took over. You're straight out of the fucking guy's playbook. That's why you keep bringing him up. That's why it's on the History Channel. That's why it's on every mainstream media. Why are we seeing murders every fucking, we don't see happy shows anymore. It's being put in your brain that that's normal. Murders happen every day, every minute, every second. So why should that concern you? They're desensitizing you and you're falling for it. It's all a psyop. Go check out Kevin's Corner. He does some good videos about it. I'm still not sure about Trump, Kevin. I'm sorry, I'm not. If anybody knows I share this with him, go ahead. I'm almost talking an hour longer than I wanted to. Nobody listens to me anyway, so it don't fucking matter. I give you a solution, you cocksuckers. I talk to God and the devil. All right? God's a conservative. Not like Mitt Romney, these fucking they work with the devil. All right? I'm not going to tell you which way to vote. That ain't my job. I like Ron DeSantis right now. Stop fucking with the First Amendment. Stop fucking with these corporations. And we want to see who's donating to every politician. George Soros is involved. Vote them out. Klaus Schwab, Bill Gates, all these motherfuckers, big donors to them. Vote them the fuck out. And I want investigations at Fauci. I want investigations every. And if America doesn't follow anomaly and ask every fucking question that this fucking kid is asking, you got your head straight up your fucking asses, and you don't care. Not about yourself, your family, America, or God. And for that matter, I would love nukes months ago. Oh, did I mention I tried? Call Sergeant Morris, Massachusetts State Police. I'm going to show you the video that I asked him to make. I asked them, please get this on video, so if I die, you'll know you were talking to Thomas Sowell. I'm willing to die for this country. What are you willing to do, you motherfuckers? Nothing! Except talk and take, and never give. You know, fuck what John F. Kennedy said, words from God. Ask not what your country can do for you. You sorry motherfuckers. God bless the United States of America. You're gonna fucking need it. God bless.